Hello, welcome to Retail-Outsource. Today, I'm going to show you how to look into the traffic report and what details you have to look into it. Once you've logged into the account, you have to go to Performance and then Traffic Reports. So it is new here, but they launched quite a while back. So once you're on this page, the first thing you have to do is to make sure that you select the max 90 days. So it will give you a full overview of the data. And the first thing is the impressions, and page views, and the quantity sold. So basically, I will just give you an overview. The blue color is the organic impressions, and the green one is the promoted one. And if you go over each day, it will give you a full breakdown of the full details, the impressions, the page views, and the quantity sold. And if you go to page view, it's the same, but there is an extra detail. The black one is the external traffic, that means the traffic which came from outside freebies, like Google, or any other search engine. And you can see the graph. It just compares the previous period performance to just give you an idea, means how well you are performing compared to the previous period. And the last one is quantity sold. Again, it will just show you the breakdown of promoted listing and organic listing. So now we know the details. How we can use it. So, to make it easy, you have to look into the impression, and then check how much impressions are converting to page views. So if you are getting a lot of impressions, and not that many page views, then you have to look into the picture first thing. And is there any other feature of that specific item not mentioned on the title? So these are the two areas that you have to focus to increase the page views from impressions. And again, from page views, we want to make sure that it gets converted to a sale. So if you are getting a lot of page views, not the sale, then you have to look into the pricing. This is a basic level, so if you check all these 3 points, you can make the listing better. So this is an overview of your account in total. But if you want a breakdown of each listing, you can download a sales report, a sales traffic report. So it would be on an Excel sheet. So this is how it looks like for each item. It will show you a breakdown. So it's very helpful, basically, so you can find items which have issues. Basically, you can apply the same 1, 2, 3 method that I mentioned before, and then wait for at least 4 weeks to gather enough information. And then you have to download the report again and compare it with the previous period. That's how you check it. If you have any questions, just comment. I hope this video helps. We do post a lot of videos about eBay and Amazon. So please do subscribe to our channel.
Thanks a lot for watching.
And remember, if you sell on eBay or Amazon and have a few questions, then you can also book a free 30-minute consultation from the link in the description below.